evening everyone, my name is Nishka Gupta and I'm a 10th grader from GTA Vidyamandir, Chennai. So basically we have been hearing about many instances where our soldiers and police personnel are getting martyred by the bullets from antisocial elements. So basically my idea is to use drones equipped with cameras and strong chloroform gas and tear gas capsules along with smoke. And these can be used in situations like this, where the bad guys are hiding in such a locality that makes it impossible for our defense forces to get to them. In such a case, our defense forces can use these drones and pilot them into the area. Then the drones will either shoot or drop the capsules, which will shatter upon hitting a hard surface and will release the gas and will thus make everyone unconscious. And this way, the bad guys can be easily captured by our defense forces. So this has three major advantages. Number one, our defense personnel will stay safe. Number two, the bad guys will still be alive when captured. And three, if there are any trapped civilians, they will stay safe, but will just be unconscious. So I know this idea will really help our defense forces, and then they can continue protecting our country. Thank you.